In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph on Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a student preparing a report or a professional creating a presentation, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to have your data ready in Google Sheets, as this is where the chart will be built. A bar graph is excellent for comparing different categories, so arrange your data with labels in one row or column and the corresponding numerical values next to them. In this example, we have a list of running shoe brands and the time in minutes it took for a runner to complete a race in each. This data will form the basis of our bar graph. Once your data is laid out, the next step is to select all the cells you want to include in your graph. Click and drag your cursor from the top left cell of your dataset to the bottom right cell, ensuring that both your labels and your values are highlighted. This tells Google Sheets exactly what information to use for the visualization. Now, with your data selected, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically analyze your data and create a default chart, which in many cases will be a column chart, a type of bar graph. It will also open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. The chart editor is where all the magic happens. To change the look and feel of your graph, click on the Customize tab. Here you'll find a wealth of options. You can change the chart style, including background colors and fonts. You can also add or edit chart and axis titles to make your graph clearer. The series option lets you adjust the color and appearance of the data bars themselves. You can also customize the legend, the horizontal axis, and the vertical axis to fine-tune every detail of your graph's presentation. Let's start by customizing the colors of our bars. Under the Series section, you can format each data series individually. First, we'll select the Reebok series from the drop-down menu, then click on the Fill Color swatch and choose a new color from the palette. Watch as the corresponding bar in the chart instantly updates. Next, we'll repeat this process for the other brands. We'll select Adidas and pick a distinct cyan color. Then we'll choose Nike and give it a cream color. Finally, let's change the generic brand to a reddish brown. Using different colors helps to visually distinguish between the categories. Once you are satisfied with the customizations, you can close the chart editor by clicking the X in the top right corner. The chart remains on your sheet as an object. You can click on it to select it and then click and drag its corner handles to easily resize it or drag it to a different position within your spreadsheet. And there you have it. You've successfully made and customized a bar graph in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.